Hello, in front of me I've got NUKI Smart Lock. In this video I'll show you how to mount it to doors. Firstly, we can use attachment A and attachment B. Use attachment A if the gap between doors and keyhole is wider than 3 mm, and use attachment B if it's less than 3 mm. Firstly, make sure that the key is inside the keyhole. Set it straight. Install attachment A or B. In case of attachment A, you have to screw this in. Next, attach the before attached attachment to the doors. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.